Hi everybody. So today you are watching Xafira's authentic Goan recipes, and today I'm going to do this drumsticks, which is also called Moringa. What I did was I took about 8 of these drumsticks. I skinned them properly and then I cut them into 2 or 3 inches, and I kept them aside. For the ingredients, you can see I've taken 2 onions chopped, 2 tomatoes chopped, 1 cup of grated coconut, red chilies, dry chilies, cut them into small bits with my fingers, little salt to taste, and 1 teaspoon sugar. I took my wok and I added 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. I switched on my gas and kept it for heating. The oil is hot, so I'm adding my onions. I'm waiting for them to get translucent or slight brown. My onions are already translucent and slight brown, so I'm adding my tomatoes. And waiting for them to get soft. I'll keep them on for some time. My tomatoes are already soft and ready for the adding of my drumsticks. I'm mixing them well. I have mixed them well. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of water. Adding my salt. Again, mixing it again. Now I'm closing the lid and keeping it to boil for about 10 minutes. I'm opening the lid and it's almost boiled, it's almost cooked. I'm adding the coconut, mixing it well. You already can get lovely flavors coming out of this beautiful vegetable. It's a very healthy vegetable, and everybody must consume this vegetable if you all have a tree, or if you can get it easily available around your places. I'm adding my little sugar for taste. Sugar also helps to keep the vegetables green. So it's very important to add a little bit of sugar. Adding another half cup of water. Closing the lid and keeping it for boiling for another 5 minutes. I've just opened the lid and now my drumsticks are ready, and they are giving out a lovely aroma, and it's full flavored and very tasty to be served. It's all ready to go, and this is my beautiful drumstick recipes. So just follow me and subscribe, and also please ring the bell button to get more notifications about my recipes. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.